fine. So it's my shoulder day today. So आज मैं सुबह Ultimate Fitness आया हूँ. That is Ultimate Fitness. This is like the fastest growing chain in the Tri-City where I live. So we'll be doing shoulders today. और मैं आपको I just kind of talk you through my shoulder routine today. और मैं आपको छोटे-छोटे tips and tricks बताऊँगा हर एक movement के, which I'm pretty sure is gonna help you out. I hope it helps you out. If it does, you will do let me know. So starting off, I was on the treadmill for around 10 minutes. मैंने warm up किया. So I'm already starting to sweat a little bit. And now I'm in the the lifting area. So मैं छोटे-छोटे swing dumbbells हैं. I'll kind of do adductions and abduction movements for my shoulder girdle, so that when I start off my lifting, my shoulders, all my joints, they are they are right in place over there to take the brunt of the lifts. So starting off, we start with a very basic shoulder movement, which is called side laterals. So usually I prefer to start off with an advanced movement rather than a compound movement, because एक तो जब आप एक कोई भी advanced movement लगाते हो, it actually जो आपका particular muscle है जिसको आप target करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, that gets warmed up, that gets worked up. तो उसके बाद जब आप compound movement लगाओगे, तो उसमें the entire brunt is going to be taken by that particular muscle group rather than the joints or the elbows or anything like that. So we start off with a side lateral movement. Side lateral में क्या होता है? It's very basic, but the thing is that mostly I see in the gym ये बड़ी basic movement 90% लोग जो beginners होते हैं खास करके वो गलत लगाते हैं. And with all due respect to everybody, even जो advanced lifters भी होते हैं मैंने देखा, I don't know why, but side lateral बहुत ज़्यादा लोग गलत लगाते हैं. So I'll just give you a few tricks how to actually perform a side lateral. Side lateral में होता क्या है? You just need to make one thing for sure that जो आपका जो shoulder है वो सबसे ऊपर point पे होना चाहिए. जो आपकी elbow है, that should be at the second point, and where you're gripping the dumbbell, that should be the third point. So make sure it becomes like a wing of an eagle, like a wings of a plane. जैसे jumbo jet होता है. So that's how it needs to be performed. So my shoulder is at the utmost position. उसके बाद मेरी elbow है, और उसके बाद मेरी grip है, मेरा dumbbell है. So basically what you need to do is, you need to imagine that जो आपका dumbbell है, वो अपने हाथ में नहीं पकड़ा हुआ है, वो अपनी elbow से attached है. So you gotta push through your elbow rather than with your dumbbell. So you just need to imagine that जो आपका dumbbell है, जो आपका weight है, you are kind of अपनी पूरी से आप पीछे किसी को मार रहे हो जैसे. So that's how you need to just imagine in your mind. So even if you are doing very heavy, it's alright to push a little bit, to jerk a little bit. But the main thing is, until and unless आपकी form सही है, आपका shoulder ऊपर है, आपका elbow के नीचे है, और आपकी grip उससे के नीचे है, and you are actually pushing through your elbow, you are good. So I'm done with my first exercise. So this is my second exercise what I'm going to perform now, and that's going to be a shoulder press. So I started off, again I'm repeating, I started off with an advanced movement. So what I did was, it was a kind of a pre-exhaust method. So I pre-exhausted my delts, so that now when I'm going to do very heavy shoulder presses, the entire brunt of the push is going to be on my deltoid rather than on my joints or my elbow or इधर उधर जाने से सारा जो भी होगा वो मेरा shoulder ही लेगा. My delts are gonna be worked out now. All right. So it's not rocket science. I'm just sitting on this bench, a normal bench with a back support, and I'm gonna do मेरे feet है, that has to be grounded on the feet, on the floor. आप ऐसे मत रखो. I would advise you. या कई लोग ऐसे रख लेते हैं, कभी ऐसे रख लेते हैं. Your feet should be firmly, placed on the earth. उससे क्या होता है, आपको एक impetus मिल जाता है, एक push मिलता है. You need to be grounded and stiff and very sturdy. And when you lift, you bring the dumbbell here and try to make basket out and try to make a V out of the dumbbells. So आपकी जो positioning of the wrist है, ऐसे मत पकड़िए. कई लोग ऐसे पकड़ लेते हैं. That is also wrong. वो undue stress डालेगा आपके against joints में, और you might end up hurting yourself. So this is always a slight V, just a little bit slight. So ये your little finger should be above your thumb. ये देखो मेरी ये little finger है, ये मेरे thumb से ऊपर है. So I'm making a little bit of slightly a V angle and then I push it. So I bring it down all the way down and push it not all the way up. हल्का सा छोड़ दिया करो, just don't lock your elbows. And when you descend, when you do the eccentric motion, मतलब जो नीचे आ रहे हो, उसको बहुत ही controlled and slow. It needs to be controlled and slow. When you push up, it needs to be really strong and fast. You know, so something like this. You push fast. Don't lock your elbows. Bring it down slow, steady, controlled. Push, push, push. Third exercise now, I'm going to perform again an advanced movement which is going to be a front raise. So what I usually do is मैं एक compound movement लगाता हूँ और एक advanced movement लगाता हूँ. So this works, good for me. And even the great Dorian Yates used to say that. मैंने कभी बचपन में कहीं पढ़ा होगा उनका. So I don't know, it has always stuck with me and it just works for me. So I did my side laterals, then I did my dumbbell military presses. And now I'm going to perform a front raise. Front raise में भी कोई बहुत लंबा चौड़ा rocket science नहीं है. Simple, same funda, जो हमने side lateral में किया था. You always make sure your elbows are above where you're holding on to the grip. Now it could be a dumbbell you're holding on to. आप front raises dumbbell से लगा सकते हो, आप barbell rod से लगा सकते हो. मैं सिर्फ ground pulley से लगा रहा हूँ. So it's the same, it's just a variation. Just keep variating, every time. वो muscle group के लिए अच्छा रहता है. ये same formula apply होता है. What I'm gonna do is, जब मैं eccentric motion करूँगा, यानी कि descent करूँगा, यानी कि negative movement करूँगा, यानी कि नीचे लेके आऊँगा, that has to be very controlled. And when I go up, it's gonna be kind of a blasting movement. मैं एकदम से with the impetus I'll go up. I'll stay. Little bit 1 second stay करूँगा. Usually what I do is I say Vaheguru and then I bring it down. Vaheguru. Vaheguru. So usually I do 2 exercises for the front raises. एक तो मैंने मशीन पे लगाई थी ground pulley, and now I'm gonna do a neutral grip with a dumbbell. तो dumbbell से होता क्या है, you are able to lift heavier weight. आप ज़्यादा weight उठा सकते हो उससे, है ना, और थोड़ा बहुत cheat भी कर सकते हो obviously, है ना, but cheating is always done in a correct way. If it is done, so it is always beneficial. तो मैं front raises लगाऊंगा with a neutral grip with a dumbbell. Alternative movement होनी है. And again, front desk gives you a lot of size. तो जब आप stage पे आप जो आपका front pose ही होता है, relaxed pose ही होता है, उसी में आपका front deltoid, if it is big and round, it looks really beautiful. Again, what I'm doing is मैं डंबल को यहाँ पर मैं डंबल को सेंटर में लेके आ रहा हूँ दोनों आईब्रोज के बीच में. And I'm doing a very controlled movement. I'm trying to do as controlled as possible, but I'm trying to push a lot of weight. अगर नहीं हो रहा है आपसे, अब आपको एडवाइस करूँगा, हर एक हैवी लिफ्ट से पहले बहुत जोर की यू कैन शाउट लाइट वेट बेबी, बिकॉज वो एक एंथम है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आपको जिम में आप ये नहीं बोल रहे लाइट वेट बेबी, then I think you are doing something really wrong. So now I'm going to perform a rear delt. So rear delt is really a kind of a mind over muscle kind of a movement. हम rear delt को ऐसे लगाते हैं. I won't say this is wrong. This is correct, but then it is not entirely correct. इसमें होता क्या है, we are not able to isolate the rear delt, totally. हम अपने rhomboid और traps को बहुत involve कर रहे हैं when we are doing this kind of a movement. So just to isolate the rear delt even more, so that we can just to try to place more brunt on your rear delt rather than on your traps and your rhomboid. What I'm gonna do is, तो मैं इसकी यहाँ पर डंबल दिखाऊँ, मैं डंबल को ऐसे ही रखूँगा मैं डंबल को ऐसे रखूंगा and what I'm gonna do is I'm again gonna stick my little finger above my thumb और movement ऐसे होगी. So I'm gonna kind of make a V out of both the numbers. So reverse V बनेगा and I'll keep my body, you know, obviously as down as possible. What I'm doing is that I'm kind of sticking my elbows up. आप अपनी elbow को जितना stick up करोगे उतना आपके rear delts ज़्यादा involve होंगे. तो usually after 2 or 3 reps आपकी body we tend to bring our elbows down. तो वो again आप अपने rhomboids और traps को because those are more powerful muscles. तो body हमेशा कोशिश करती है कि movement को easy बनाने की. That's just how we are conditioned to do. So just make sure आप वो एक फॉर्मूला होता है, you know, if it is difficult, it is correct. Whatever is difficult in any movement, that is actually the correct movement, I would say. Just try to see what exactly I'm trying to do, हाँ? तो मैं bend हूँ, मेरे little finger up है, मैं V movement पे जा रहा हूँ, and I'm making sure my elbows are sticking up, and I'm throughout the movement, मैं elbows के नीचे नहीं लेके आ रहा हूँ. So make sure this is not the movement you want to do very heavy. ये आप लाइट करोगे, कंट्रोल करोगे, तभी आप रियर को आइसोलेट कर पाओगे. And rear deltoids is well developed. They really look very good on stage. ये आपको एक 3D इफेक्ट देते हैं. Roundness, full आपकी खास जगह when you do a back, double bicep. Rear delts always shows, you know. कुछ body parts ऐसे होते हैं वो जो अच्छे lifters होते हैं. Really experienced, somebody who has been really, you know, been an experienced lifter, both stage पर दिखता है. Real delt is definitely one of those muscles. I'm gonna perform an upright row now. This is my 5th exercise. ये भी बड़ी simple movement है, इसमें कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. इसमें बस इतना ही एक छोटी सी टिप है. Just make sure जब आप upright row लगाते हो, तो जो आपकी elbow है, you know, your elbow should be above your rod all the way. जब आप ऊपर लेके जाते हो तो ज़्यादा लोग क्या करते हैं, उनकी एल्बो जो होती है वो रॉड के नीचे हो जाती है. वो ये वाली मूवमेंट लगाते हैं, which is wrong. You know, that's not upright row. Upright row has to be to make sure you again in every shoulder movement you are gonna make sure that you are sticking your elbows out. अपनी elbow को ऊपर उठा के रखो, and that's how it's gonna be. And I'm gonna perform it now. This is my last exercise. I'm going to perform a shoulder press on this machine. Usually every gym has a shoulder press machine. कईयों में plate loaded होती है. This one is this kind of a machine. So what I'm going to do is, इसमें मैं heavy weight नहीं लगाऊंगा. I'm already done because I'm totally expended now. तो मैं इसमें rep work लगाऊंगा. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 100 rep set. This I usually keep it at the back end of my workout. तो last में जब मैं I'm just trying to burn my shoulders now, you know, as much as I can. So I'll perform 100 reps, not much of a weight. तो मैं ऐसा वेट उठाऊंगा जिसमें मैं around 35-40 reps तक लगा सकता हूँ. तो अगर मैं 40 reps लगाए समझ लो, so I'm left with 60 reps more, right? Because I have to perform 100 reps. तो अगर 60 रह गए हैं तो मैं 60 सेकंड घड़ी में देख के वेट करूंगा, and then I'll again start, you know, pushing the weight. Let's say पहले मैंने 40 लगाए, फिर I'm able to perform 20 reps. So that is 40 plus 20 is like 60 reps. So I'm still left with 40 reps. तो उसके बाद मैं 40 seconds rest करूँगा and again I'll start pushing weight. तो ऐसे लास्ट में मेरी अगर मैं 90-95 reps लगाऊंगा तो लास्ट में अगर 5 रह जाएंगे तो 5 seconds वेट करूँगा and again I'll try to push. So that's how it's going to perform. और simple सा logic है इसमें भी कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. The only trick is what I do is, I think this is the correct movement. I place my palms, जो मेरे हाथ हथेलियाँ हैं जो मेरी, वो मैं इसको आगे की तरफ नहीं रखता. I always make sure whenever I lift any kind of, even if I'm doing a barbell press, तो आपकी जो palms है that should be facing skyward. रब वांगू मतलब रब वालू अपने palms को face करके it should be upwards like this, and your elbows should be beneath, where you are holding on to the thing. तो मतलब वो आपका grip और आपका elbow that should be in the same plane. ज्यादातर लोग क्या करते हैं यहाँ पर दिखाना, कई लोग ऐसे कर रहे होते हैं शोल्डर पे, मतलब आप अब देखो मेरी एल्बो कहाँ है और ये कहाँ है और जो मेरी पाम भी है वो भी डाउनवर्ड फेस कर रही है, बट आई एम गोना डू लाइक दिस, मेरे अब पाम्स फेस कर रहे हैं स्काईवर्ड, और जो मेरी एल्बोज हैं दे आर टर्न्ड इनसाइड एंड दे आर बीनीथ माय ग्रिप, सो इट इज इन द सेम प्लेन एंड नाउ आई एम गोना पुश. So again the funda is the same. I'm going to do the eccentric motion, यानी कि जो negative movement is slow and you know the positive movement is going to be with the impetus. वो झटके से मतलब जाएगा ऊपर और ऐसा होगी ये. और lot of people asking कि sir breathing कैसे करनी है, आपने inhale कब करना है, आपने exhale कब करना है, तो हर एक movement का एक ही formula. It's again not a rocket science. The thing is whenever you exert, you exhale. जब आप exert करते हो, यानी कि when you are performing a concentric movement, जब आप movement को weight को lift कर रहे हो, that is a concentric movement. That time you are exerting, you know. So when you exert, you exhale, and when you do the eccentric motion, the negative movement है, तब आप inhale करोगे. Just try to see. तो अब मैं inhale कर रहा हूँ eccentric में और इसमें एक्सेल आउट करूंगा. Shrugs or dumbbell shrugs, again a very basic movement. That's for your traps, obviously. But still, you know, I would say कि भी what I think personally, traps की जो best exercise है if you are doing deadlifts, जो आजकल बहुत लोग नहीं लगाते हैं, I don't know why, but लगानी चाहिए. So if you're a serious lifter, definitely you are doing your deadlift. For deadlifts में traps बहुत involved होते हैं, but this is actually, you know, this is again a very direct movement for your trap. So how you perform a shrug is just grab two dumbbells, है ना, और आपके साइड पे आराम से डंबल्स प्लेस है. Now when you shrug up, इसमें क्या टिप है कि यूजुअली लोग आर्म्स को स्ट्रेट रखते हैं, मेरे आर्म्स देखो, आर्म्स को स्ट्रेट रखते हैं, तो लोग श्रग ऐसे लगाते हैं. इससे होता क्या है, इट्स अ वेरी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड मूवमेंट आई वुड से. So when you actually do a correct shrug, आप अपनी एल्बोज को बेंड करेंगे and you will drag your, you know, you will kind of I would say shave your, you know, आप अपने जो साइड है you will shave it with your dumbbell in a way. वो इतनी पास से in a shaving movement निकलेगा and you actually bend your you know elbow. So that's the correct way to do it. इससे ज़्यादा आप squeeze कर पाएंगे. Now I'm gonna perform as you see. You shrug up, you stay, you squeeze, and then you bring it down. Very simple. And yes, when you जब आप डंबल को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, तो आप नीचे देखोगे तो उससे आपकी अगेन ट्रैप्स की मूवमेंट ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगी. So I just got done with my workout and I hope जो भी मैंने आपको छोटे छोटे tips and tricks बताए हैं shoulders के regarding, वो आपको help करेंगे. And do let me know if it does help you so that you know I can make more of such videos in the future. And do subscribe to my channel, guys. It will definitely make me feel happy. Lots of love to you.